Forgot your Longse DVR password? Don't worry, here's a quick way to reset it. First, on the login screen of Longse DVR, click Forget Password. Next, find and note down your DVR serial number. This is usually displayed on the password recovery screen. Now, contact the manufacturer's technical support team and provide them with the serial number. They will generate a dynamic password specifically for your DVR. Once you receive the dynamic password, enter it into the DVR password recovery window. After successful verification, you'll be able to create a new password for your DVR. Make sure to choose a strong password and save it somewhere safe for future use. And that's it. Your DVR is now unlocked and ready to use again. If this method doesn't work, don't worry. Contact the manufacturer's online support team for additional assistance and alternative password recovery options. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more CCTV and DVR troubleshooting tips.